In this program, we will learn how to use Python through NumPy library to differentiate and integrate a polynomial function of x of n degree. First, import NumPy library. Then from NumPy, import poly1d, which is a function. We'll use it for expression of polynomial function. So what this mean? B equals poly1d, and these arguments list 3, 4, 5. Let's examine it by print b and run. Yeah, so this is 3 x bar 2 2 and 4x plus 5. So this is the parameters or coefficient, because there are 3 coefficients, so the degree of this equation is x bar 2. If there are 4, it will be the degree of it x bar 3, and so on. We can yield another expression, print b times b. Let's see the answer. Yeah, so this the function which yield is b times b. So we have here x bar 2, so I expect to find x bar 4. Okay, this is the function yields from multiplying b to b. What else? What I can find else? Let's integrate this function, the first one, which is b. Integrate. Print b dot integer, which is this one, and the argument of it k and the constant, because when I integrate a function, there will be a constant in the yield function or generated function. K equals, as example, 6. And let's try. Yeah. So this is the function yields or generated from integrating this first function. If you integrate it, you have x bar 3 and x bar 2 plus this is a constant which is equal k, which give here 6. Let's differentiate the first function. Print b dot the derivative differentiation, the function which is makes the differentiation is derive, and we have argument, but we here we will not put any parameters. And let's try. Yeah, this is the differentiating function yields from the first function. Let's give a solution. Solution for the first b. وهنا we put list, not this brackets of list. Solution f equals 4 or 5 when it's equals 4 and when it's equals a 5. What solution will be? Uh, you have to print here. Here print and and then yeah, this is the solution. When you substitute x by 4, it gives this one. when you substitute x with 4 here, you will get 69. When you substitute x by 5, you'll get 100. Okay, thanks for listening.